Saving money when you have a low income isn't about discipline. It's about survival. It's not about skipping $6 lattes. It's about making sure the lights stay on and there's food on the table. If you're tired of hearing advice that assumes you make $80,000 a year, this one's for you. Let's talk about how to actually save money when there's not much to save. Tip 1. Pay yourself first. Even if it's $5, saving money doesn't mean putting away hundreds. It means starting where you are, even $5 a week, even $2. Why? Because you're building a habit. You're proving to yourself that you come first, even in survival mode. That small amount adds up. And more importantly, it shifts your mindset from I can't save to I do save. Tip 2. Know exactly where your money goes. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money awareness problem. Track everything. Rent, food, gum, every tiny dollar. You'll be shocked where $50 disappears each month. And awareness. That's step 1 to taking control. Tip 3. Cut the quiet bleeds. Low income doesn't mean no leaks. $9 for a subscription you don't use, $30 on late fees, $15 here, $12 there. Cut it. Pause it. Unsubscribe. Those little cuts matter more when your income is small. Don't let quiet expenses eat your loud effort. Tip 4. Make saving automatic. Even if it's tiny, set up an automatic transfer on payday. Even if it's just $10. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay. Because future you, they'll thank you when a flat tire doesn't turn into a crisis. Tip 5. Stop trying to save like rich people. Forget the fancy hacks. You're not trying to build a luxury lifestyle. You're trying to survive with dignity and build something real. That means focusing on the basics: food, shelter, sanity, and cutting the rest. Saving on a low income isn't impossible. It's just harder. And if you're doing it, that's not a weakness. That's strength. This isn't a motivational speech. This is reality. And in reality, small wins are still wins. If you're saving anything, you're already beating the odds. Stick with it. You're not behind. You're just getting started. Drop a comment. What's the smallest amount you've ever saved that still made you feel powerful? Like, subscribe and keep surviving smarter, not harder.